Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm living my golden life. I am serving you gold. We're gonna be talking about the most blinding highlighters ever! The most blinding highlighters of all time that I've not ever talked about on this channel. Just preface this, if you're a headphone user, be aware there will be a lot of screaming, there will be a lot of shrieking, there will be a lot of yas, but like a lot more enthusiastic. So if you want to see the most blinding highlighters of all time, then let's get started. All right, guys, first, this is a very recent addition to my collection. However, it is also a cheat a little bit, okay? But I mean, like I said before in a different video, and what I've said and what is my mantra is that you can use any kind of products for any kind of way you want. So just because you have a highlighter does not mean you can't use it as an eyeshadow, and vice versa. And today I'm going to be talking about this eyeshadow here, and this is the Tarte Top Yacht Chrome Paint Eyeshadow Pot, and this is probably the most beaming bright thing of the lifetime. Okay, so it comes in this little pot right here. Look at that. So first of all, the texture is like a sorry, we gotta swatch her. Look at this. It feels like butter. Look at her. Look at her. It is so beautiful. I'm sorry. Okay, but this guy is so freaking beautiful. I am having chills up and down my body. Hashtag Loey Lay, because she says that all the time in her videos. I'm a fan. Okay, I have chills up and down my body because this is like the most beautiful, blinding thing in the entire world. It is everything to me and more. Do you see this? Look, you can even put it back here, and it's so beautiful. So anyway, this is an eyeshadow technically, but it is so creamy. It is pressed down, okay, with this little thing right here. It is so creamy. It is so pigmented. It is so smooth and buttery. It goes on the skin like butter. You can apply it with your brush or with your hands and everything, and it's going to give you the glow to the gods. Now, all of these, mind you, okay, they will emphasize texture. They will make your face look abnormally shiny, and it doesn't matter, okay? These highlighters, I want to preface this, okay? These highlighters are not for the faint of heart, okay? If you want a blinding glow to the gods, if you want to go to heaven, you're gonna have to try out these highlighters, okay? So yeah, this is one right here. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. How much is this? Let me just Google. How much is Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot? All right, she is $22. It don't even matter. This little thing or whatever is so pigmented. You only need a little bit. It's gonna last you a lifetime, okay? $22 for 3 grams right here, right now. Kmart. Is that the slogan for Kmart? Oh no, they're closing anyways. Hashtag RIP Kmart. Next, okay, I'm gonna leave this swatch right here. We're gonna go to the next one. Now this one, I don't know if it's like discontinued or whatever, but guys, this is the Kiko Makeup Milano, whatever. Milano? Like the cookies. This is the long-lasting wet and dry eyeshadow, and is in the shade 208. And this, look at this little guy. We're gonna swatch her real quick. So let me get my little finger. So she's a little more golden, but do you see her next to her sis? This is the Kiko right here, and then this is Top Yacht Girl. So this is another blinding highlighter here. It is very golden. A lot of these are very golden. You know, I just realized this is also an eyeshadow, and I'm talking about this as a highlighter. I'm very biased to gold because I love gold. I mean, look at me, golden today. So you know, I love me some gold, and it's summertime. You can't go wrong with gold. Go for the gold, okay? It's beautiful, it's nice, sweet, sassy, and yes, it will emphasize texture, okay? So if you guys are a little bit older, a little bit more mature, you got like big pores and stuff or whatever, like myself, then it will emphasize texture. But to me, I don't care. As far as the formula, when you dip into, like, say you dip in with a brush or whatever, there's no fallout, no fallout at all. Now they say test it out wet. Let's spray my finger. They say, oh my god! This is my hand wet. Okay. Oh my goodness! Wet or dry, y'all? Let me do a second swatch because I got a lot right here. All right, now that I've had a brain aneurysm and now we're good to go, okay, you know, she's still living. We're gonna be talking about the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. Y'all know this was coming, okay? She is golden. What's new? Okay, this is the last highlighter we're gonna be talking about. This is the new packaging, okay? She is nice, she is sweet, she is suave. She is not looking all bold and naked and stuff. She is concealed, hashtag put some clothes on. But the only thing about it is that the container packaging is white, so it gets really messy easily because this girl do got fallout. So like when I go in and I dip my brush, which this is the brush I use today, when you tap into the product, you get a ton of fallout, but this is so freaking beautiful. On the skin, it's not even funny. Let me swatch her right now. Okay. All right, so this is the highlighter right here. It is golden, it is beautiful, it is good for like medium to a little bit lighter to like tan. I'm going through all the spectrums, okay? Let me fix this real quick. Let me show you what I mean, okay, by color spectrum, because I got some for the light skin, I got some for the deeper skin, I got for the tan skin, medium skin, okay? So going back, Top Yacht is good. It's a brighter color. It is good for lighter skin tones, not probably like the lightest. Like NC25 is gonna be like the minimum or like the maximum, I guess, of lightness that this will work on. Matte colors, by the way. Then the Kiko one is good for like up to NC45, maybe NC50. I don't know if that's I'm pretty sure that's a color, but yeah, like deeper skin tones, y'all can rock this and it won't look ashy on you because it's golden, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And then the Rodeo Drive is good for like everybody else in the middle. So you got your tan girls, got your medium skin girls. At the end of the day, all of these work for medium skin because, you know, I wear it. I'm medium skin. I look beautiful. But these are the 3 most blinding golden hidden gems that I've been using on my face that are beautiful. They are glowing. They are going to make you look wet. An angel came into your house one day and she was just like, hey, you look a little dull. Let me glow you up. And then I'm like, thank you, my guardian angel. And now I'm here today to show you I am your guardian angel today. It's just Chab. Here you go. All right, guys. So I think I'm going to claim myself as glowing highlighter queen of the world. Just Chab right here right now, just because look at me, mírame, okay? I'm serving you face, I'm serving you golden goddess, so don't come for me, okay? This is just for this video only. So these are the most glowing highlighters, the most beaming. I had to really condense this down to these 3 highlighters here. These are the most glowing highlighters in my collection. They're gonna make you look beaming, glowing, beautiful, bright, gorgeous. If you have dry skin, if you have textured skin, if you have wrinkles, if you have large pores, these will all emphasize them. I need you to know right now, but come on, guys. For me, it don't matter. I know I got texture. I know I got some stuff going on here and there and everywhere. Ain't nobody perfect, but this glow is sickening. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell and set it to all because I make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below. Do you have a beaming highlighter? You're like most glowing, beautiful goddess beaming highlighter that I haven't mentioned in this video. If you have, leave it in the comments down below, or if you've tried these out and what you think about them, or just let me know what would you like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. All right, so I'm very bi. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm very bi. Okay, this is the last highlighter. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Whoa. If you want a the cake, get it together, chat. This is a mess of a video. It's just me screaming. This is really for me. This video is really for me.